Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode, where we dive deep into unique food cultures around the world. Today, we're exploring something truly fascinating about Korean seafood culture: the live fish markets. In Korea, it's common to see fish swimming in tanks, right up until the moment they are sold. This isn't something you see in many other parts of the world, where seafood is often displayed on ice after being caught and processed. So, why is this live fish culture so important here? It's all about freshness. Koreans believe that the best way to ensure the seafood is as fresh as possible is to keep it alive until the very last moment. When you buy fish in Korea, especially in markets like the famous Noryeongjin market in Seoul or Jagalchi market in Busan, you can pick out the exact fish you want from a tank. The fish is then immediately prepared for you, either filleted for sashimi or cooked in a dish. This emphasis on freshness isn't just about taste. It's also deeply rooted in the culture. In Korea, seafood is a staple, and the country's long coastline means there's always access to fresh catches. The tradition of eating live or freshly killed seafood has been passed down through generations, and it's a practice that's still very much alive today. Now, let's take this understanding of live fish culture and explore a place where you can experience it firsthand: the Gangneung Fishermen's Market. Gangneung, located on Korea's east coast, is famous for its pristine beaches and, of course, its fresh seafood. Today, we're visiting this market to see what's in season this August 2024. So, what's available this month? Here's a look at some of the freshest catches you'll find. 1. Squid Ojang-eo. August is the peak season for squid, and you can find it everywhere here. Whether for grilling or sashimi, it's a must-try. It's priced at around 15,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $11. 2. Mackerel Godungeo. Mackerel is another staple in the summer months, known for its rich, savory flavor. It's available for around 8,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $6. 3. Octopus Moon-neo. Fresh octopus is a delicacy that's best enjoyed either raw or cooked in stews. In August, it's priced at around 25,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $19. 4. Blue crabs Gaejang. If you're a fan of crab, August is a great time to enjoy blue crabs. They're perfect for ganjang jjang, a Korean delicacy, and cost about 30,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $23. 5. Abalone Jeonbok. Abalone is another luxurious seafood item available this season, priced at around 50,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $38. It's enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from sashimi to hot pots. 6. Rockfish dal kai. A summer favorite, rockfish is often used in spicy stews or simply grilled. You can find it for about 20,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $15. 7. Scallops Jonghap. Scallops are also in season this month, and are perfect for grilling. They're priced at around 18,000 Korean won per kilogram, about $14. As we explore the market, you can see the fishmongers preparing seafood right on the spot. The best part? You can pick your seafood, have it prepared, and eat it right there in the market. It doesn't get any fresher than this. Visiting a market like Gangneung Fishermen's Market not only gives you access to the freshest seafood, but also connects you to the local culture. It's a chance to see how important seafood is to the people here, and how the tradition of fresh, live fish is still a key part of daily life. So, if you ever find yourself in Gangneung, especially in August, make sure to stop by and experience it for yourself. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more local food adventures. See you in the next video.